Hey everybody, it's birdie time. I'm here with my buddy Patrick. We're at the Sawmill Disc Golf Course in Silver Springs, Florida. I've played here before and Patrick never has. He's playing blind. So today we're going to be playing against each other, and based on our ratings, I'm going to give us a stroke differential to work with. As of the last ratings update, I'm currently rated 940. Patrick, what about you?
I believe I'm 882.
So 882, that's not too bad of a difference, but because of that, I'm going to give Patrick 8 strokes on me to work with, and we'll see if by the end that gets a little bit closer, but we'll see who ends up on top. Good luck.
Thanks, you too.
Getting started on hole 1 here, we get to throw from underneath a fallen tree that's kind of embedded itself in the ground here. It's not too far, under 300 feet, and I'll just throw an FD and just kind of hyzer it into the green over on the left. Oh, dang it.
A little short into the palm tree.
Doggone it. Missed my line. Great turn. That's putting.
Wide, but I'll take it.
That's putting right there. This is really not the distance you need to have a good look at it. I really left it short here. Seriously? Oh, no. Dang it. What a good start. Got the par save. Ugh. So do you think you conned me into making things really easy for you?
It's a tough start for you. You gave me 8 strokes. I'm glad it wasn't 10, but we'll see how the rest of the round goes.
I gotta work harder than I thought. Hole 2, this one is, I think it's the toughest hole on the course. You're pretty much going through this tiny gap, moving a little bit right, but not too far, because you've got a long upshot to have a birdie look through a tunnel with trees in the middle of the fairway. For me, I'm happy with the par. If even a single bogey, it's not really gonna hurt my feelings.
I'm throwing blind here, ladies and gentlemen, so we'll see what happens.
I don't trust my forehand here, so I'm throwing just a putter as a placement shot, hoping that I just have a look to get my par.
Placement.
I think that's what I want.
Placement shot.
Ooh, right out. That's pretty good. It might be a tough little angle, but that's a good out. That's what happens. Still might get a par, maybe a bogey. This is the difference between having a line
I don't know what I'm doing yet.
and having almost nothing.
Way behind it.
Can I get through?
Oh no! Trying to guarantee the double.
I'll take the bogey. Good save.
Thought you'd get a stroke on me, huh?
I would never.
No, 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 not today. We got a dogleg right, 250-foot shot. I am going to throw a very overstable Firebird forehand, and we will see what Bradley does for this par 3.
Get around it. Oh, that could be good. That could be really good.
Got a little skip off the palm front too.
Wow. This is potentially the only forehand that I will be throwing today.
Oh, baby.
I've tried this backhand, and my best shot looked great, and then it was 50 short and obstructed. So, going for forehand. Go. Get around. 8 inches to the right, and I get no love. All right, that'll putt. Oh, so close. How do you feel about that one?
A little disappointed. Not gonna lie about that, but I'll take the par.
Shows you how pale I really am.
All right, guys, we got a 230-foot par 3. You got either a line on the left for a forehand route or a line on the right for a backhand route, or you can do something a little bit crazy. I think I'm gonna go with the third option.
Good turn. Get through. No.
Gnarly kick.
That destroyed
Gnarly
that good
kick.
shot. I think it's an understable putter shot. Straight at it with a little drift. Too much drift. Turned it too much.
Now, Bradley, how does that one make you feel?
Makes me hurt on the inside.
Makes me hurt watching on the outside. Tried to miss that one.
Woo!
Tried to miss that one.
Good effort.
We've got a big dog leg left. It is 247 feet, or is it
270.
Okay, well, we got 270-foot dog leg left. I'm clearly playing this course blind, but I'm gonna do another crazy shot and hopefully not get a crazy tree bounce like last time.
What a shot.
Take it with the slip off the pad.
Oh, that's bad. That's so bad. Oh boy. This is a bad day. Dang it. Low again. I feel better about myself. You still get one though. I bogey. I'm bogeying. You feel free to miss those whenever you want.
Hey, look. I told you it will happen at some point.
Just found out he's sandbagging. He totally deceived me with his rating. It's really not fair.
We got a 278-foot dogleg right. There's some trees in the middle of the fairway, so I think this may just be a slight turnover forehand with a fade right at the end. Let's see. It did turn over and it did fade right.
I feel better about my life. Let's see if I can get the turnover shot and actually have a birdie look for once. Terrible.
Great.
Not good. I'm pulling everything.
Not what you want. Not what you want at all.
Now I really wish I was taking a birdie on this. Doggone it, why can I not hit a single line? This is embarrassing. This is really bad.
We're doing the struggle button. Oh. Oh.
I hate so much about today.
That would have been cool.
That would have been more than cool. That would have been demoralizing.
Oh, Brad.
This is not going well.
Take the silver lining where it was.
There's no silver lining. I'm getting destroyed.
I don't even know where the basket. Oh, I see the basket. All right, we set. All right, guys, we got a 420-foot par 3. It is a dogleg left with a slight fade to the right at the end, kind of like a little snake. So I'm gonna try another understable forehand and see if we can get the line.
Oof. I would think I have a chance, but I just keep doing the same thing. So it's not working out.
Find out.
Just kidding. Birdieable from there. Not a perfect lie, but it is an opportunity for once. So I hope I make good on it.
It's not bad at all.
Finally, a circle one putt for birdie. That's my first of the day.
A roller.
Do it. We're both in cage a lot today. My life is turning around. Alright, I finally fought back and got a birdie. What hole are we on? By hole 8, it took me 7 holes to get a birdie. Things are not looking good for me, but there's still time. This one definitely wooded. For me, probably a gentle turn with a little fade at the end to access the putting green, but I'll take anything within 45.
Oh yeah, come on. Yeah.
Left it right, but I hit my line. I'm very happy about that. Tough kick, but it's actually pretty scramblable over there.
Yeah. No metal this time, man.
No, that was a good upshot. I missed it, but you put it like 10 feet left, I think. Wish I got that on camera, but that was a perfect upshot. All right, good. Needed that. All right, I think we're back to the 8 strokes.
We're even.
This round is not going my way, but I got 2 birdies in a row, and we're back to the original 8-stroke separation that I was supposed to be whittling down this whole time. But we're back to that, so 8 strokes, maybe I'll get there. This one, par 4, a bit of a drift to the right, and then you should have a long straight shot to the basket or a bit of a turnover shot to get there. I might be a little pinched, but that was pretty good.
Okay. It's woods.
Ooh, tough over there.
I'm gonna throw another one.
Apparently this is what happens when you mess up. You're
This is exactly where I want it.
right behind my shot, which I was happy with. So you pushed up. I think your birdie look is 60 short. 2 inside. That's bad.
I think you're with me.
All right, I really messed it up, but I can still get up and down, hopefully. Should be fine. Go in. Wow.
Bro, how much metal am I gonna hit today?
Well, between the two of us, we're at like 7 or 8.
Every hole.
Good par.
You too.
He's mad. Hole 10, about 320. Kind of just a straight shot with a little fade at the end. You don't really want to go too stable, but if you go too straight, you're in the woods. So a little bit of drift will kind of get you to the circle. Thought I was done with that.
Thought we were out of the woods, literally.
I thought I was in my lines now. Good shot. Oh, what the freaking heck?
I think you pushed up enough. You may be in the...
That might have actually stopped you from landing that putt. All right, here we go.
All right, guys, we got a 168-foot par 3. It is pretty straightforward. There's some trees in the middle of the fairway. You can find a way around it, left or right side. So I got my entropy. We're gonna see what we can do. Not bad, not great.
I think I put it a little bit long. Gotta make a putt back. So sad.
That one's on me. Par frame for us. Guys, we got 298-foot par 3 island green elevated basket.
Get there. Did you skip out long? Oh no.
I skipped down to the top of the fence and went out.
Did I land it or long? Really? We both pushed just long into the hazard.
I'll go first since I'm ready. I'll show you how it's done. Wow.
What a putt. What a
I knew one of
putt.
them had to drop today. All right, now your turn. Here we go. Oh!
Keep losing strokes.
Hey man, these are earned strokes. These aren't given. Oof. Tough hole, ladies and gentlemen. Tough hole. How are we feeling, Bradley?
Bad.
Yeah, that's all right. That'll change. We got a 908-foot par 5. It is a really long way up this fairway, and then a dogleg right at the end. So we're just going to try and get in the middle, place our second shot in between the trees, and see what we can do about getting a birdie.
Great shot.
May have been my best drive of the day.
It's smooth.
Yeah. Shot. Right on the other tee pad, right? Oh, wow.
It's pretty short. It's not good. All right, that's good placement.
That's much more like it.
And sit down on the flat. Okay,
Because you
that's
said
good.
you wanted to go right at the end.
I just gotta throw up the hill to the right. Just a bit pinched, but otherwise the forehand line is pretty good from there.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Going for the big turnover shot. See if I can make myself, give myself a chance at the birdie. But the way things are going today, I don't know.
There you go.
I think I'm pretty short. 60 short, probably.
We'll find out.
A little short. Still hitting metal.
More metal, just way short.
It's a little weak.
I had to find you around so far. Tried to miss that.
Barely made it.
Just trying to scrape the bottom of the disc, you know. Shed some weight.
All right, this one is just pretty much a straight shot with a gentle drift left at the very end. But you just gotta hit the tunnel the whole way and then you'll kind of get to the circle. I think it kicked you back to the fairway. I think you're putting.
Who knows?
Rick? Me? Dude, my shots are so bad.
You missed pretty much everything.
I fought in circle 2 through the woods.
No. Uh-oh. There's the first domino. Here we go. Oh!
I almost stole one. Good putt.
Trying to miss those for you.
Yeah, seriously, you're almost worse from 15 feet than from 60.
You tried to miss that one too.
Tried.
We got a 278-foot par 3. It is a slight dogleg right on an elevated basket. This is another tricky hole. Let's see what we can do. Not that far right.
$50 short?
Hit the fan back. Oh.
Wow.
Putting was over.
He finally gave me one.
I told you my putting was over. I'm
He
gonna make that one.
finally gave one back.
This one too.
Finally gave one back.
Tried to miss that one too. Oh no. Oh no. Bogey par.
It's just that easy.
Wow. Just like that. two-stroke game.
Finally got one back by parring. So I'm still not getting birdies.
Boo.
But this one, we got a par 4. Just send it down the middle. You don't really have to drift left yet. You can just land your upshot off to the left and hopefully get a birdie. We'll see what happens. I'll just go for a little distance, see what I can get. I hit the tree. Every tee shot, I put it a few feet right and hit a tree. Every tee shot today. Ooh, that's a good little push. It's a great spot to be.
Thanks.
Miraculously, I pushed kind of out so I can actually throw this next shot, and I have a chance.
Great.
I think I actually put it in the circle.
Great shot.
Wow.
Yeah, good shot.
Ready.
All right. Ready.
Perfect.
Thanks. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good putt.
First star frame of the day.
That's pretty painful. Hole 17, just a straight shot, slightly downhill. Don't want to be too far left or right, but if you just kind of push down the middle, you should be fine.
Straight down the middle.
Go over that.
There you go.
I'm pretty short, but I'm close to the circle. Ooh, I might get one back.
So we don't throw back in.
Until he throws in. Sit down. Okay, that stopped.
A little far.
Wow. Nothing can stop this man.
Not even palm trees. Dead center.
Birdie. I needed it.
There you go.
This one's just over 300 for me, a backhand turnover shot. It's not too sharp to the right. It's kind of just a flip and drift, but you don't want to go too far and get back in the woods late. Just kind of get it out there. Woo! I think I put it in the circle just past the basket. Turn. Oh no! Slipped on the turf. It's a putt. Nothing stopping him. That's a putt I shouldn't miss.
Hey, I guess I know what we're working on after this round. Putting.
This one's a pretty short shot, less than 200, but a little double mando to keep you honest. There's a slope past the basket, so if you really put it past, then it actually is kind of a little tricky putt to kind of put it back up the hill and land it. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? I flipped it over. Gosh. Oh!
It's turning over.
Got denied.
Denied. That was not at all.
Oh, it caught a tree.
All
It's okay, he makes those putts.
No. No.
He's having his meltdown.
Oh, and this is for the bogey, right?
This is for the bogey.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
He finally messed up. I love that chained out. Alright. Barely slipped it in there. This one's about 250, pretty wooded, but there is kind of that gap over on the left side. It's a really tough turnover shot, but the forehand kind of is the play. I'll go for that turnover. I've made it work before. I don't know what will happen today. I'll go for it and see what happens.
Come on. You made it work again?
I put it long.
And I'm doing the traditional forehand route that you said was more favored here.
Smarter.
I don't know if I can get better than that. That was good. Didn't get it high enough.
It's a good line.
And he's been
Get up.
no metal, but
Are you kidding?
oh.
That was such an awkward, stupid little lie. I'll still take it every time though. That's so dumb. I felt the wind at the last second too. Like the last moment. Well, it hurts to miss that one. I just could not quite get my footing right. But I move on. I've made plenty of mistakes today. It's just one more to add to the pile. This one, pretty straight shot. It's kind of just tough. If you drift a little to the side, you might just be obstructed. Just put it straight. Hope you slow down in time. We'll see. I think it's short circle one. Oh, come on. That was such a good flex too.
Dude.
Some weird wind.
Yeah. But
It's parked. Oh, come on. Keep throwing away my opportunities. Trying to move forward. 300 footer. Just going left the whole way. Hopefully can get a putt. Maybe not.
that looks perfect.
I think I'm edge of circle right. Get up a little flare. That's a fine placement shot for the par.
A little bit higher, and I think that's a better shot. That's not a layup at all.
It's putt.
Dude, what am I doing?
Drop it. Great putt.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Had to get the mojo back before the end of the round. Yeah, there we go.
A little left, but it's in. We've got a 500-foot par 4. This disc is working for me, so I hopefully will just kind of pipe it out there, give myself that second upshot, take another birdie, and will that take me to even or under par?
That'll make you under par. You need a birdie to be under and 2 holes.
It would be about time.
Birdie to be under.
We'll see. Oh, that's not my line.
Oh.
That was a kind of a shank, to be honest. Oh, brutal kick. Hopefully it came back to the fairway.
Not.
Up in the tree. Not sure how Patrick's gonna get his foot up there, but he'll figure something else out. Got it in your head. I was also standing in the ants, so now I've got to fix that. Oh, I did. Woo! Oh my gosh, I cut across the circle. I have a putt.
Cut it in half.
Get that turn. All right. Woo!
I told you.
Barely got it.
We got a 200-foot par 3 left. It is pretty straightforward again. There's a lot of trees in the middle of the fairway, so we can either go left or right. Bradley has the honors. He is currently winning by, I believe, what, 5 strokes?
5.
5. Yeah, so I think the initial wager is decided unless there's another blow-up hole from me, but let's keep it interesting.
I got it back. Played well in the last 7 holes.
You combine my front 9 with your back 9 and we're playing pretty well.
True. I didn't turn it enough. Dang it.
Oh, he's left it open.
It's a jump putt. That's it. Good shot. Oh, so close. Yeah, you think you can miss this maybe? Give me another chance?
I don't think so. I had a feeling I was going to miss that putt that I just threw, though.
You did.
Oh. Some disappointing birdie putts for finishes, unfortunately.
Bummer. Well, that's pretty fun. Tough start for me. I really didn't get things going into the last 8. But Patrick played well the whole round, very consistently for playing blind.
Oh, yeah.
Very impressive. Ended up winning the whole differential by 3. So the mark wasn't too bad.
No, it was. I think 8 was a good number. I think we could have been a little bit less,
Yeah,
a little bit
yeah.
more depending on the day, but I think it was a good number.
I've had a few rounds now where I started really slow and putting up a few big numbers before I had to redeem it at the end. So I've done that before. I just got to figure out how to get started. Overall, it was a fun round. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Hopefully you'll be back on the
Home
channel.
course, yeah. We'll see how well I can play the next time.
That's right.
Should be back.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Cool, man.